Hey, what's up everybody? This is another unboxing from Ashland, Virginia. It's a Vitamin Shoppe one. Unfortunately, for some reason, I found that some of these products are having mold on the boxes. I don't necessarily think it's them. I think maybe there was rain or something, and sometimes mold just happens. But you can see I got some. I've been doing unboxings. Yeah. But I'm definitely going to email them. I don't think it's their quality of product for any means, but so this is a Bang energy drink, purple guava pear. And also blue Razz. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take each of these out and I'm going to wash them thoroughly, each can, before I consume them, because I'm not trying to consume that. But there was a little bit of mold in some of the cans in the previous order. But I'm going to wash my face and wash my hands because I got a blast of mold. Yeah, it's pretty disgusting. But overall, Vitamin Shoppe has always given me really good products. I'm thinking just there was rain one day or something. I don't know. And then also, these look good. But yeah, we're definitely going to be washing these. And I want to say thanks to everyone watching my videos. Please subscribe. Please share. Hit the thumbs up button, the notification bell, subscribe. See my taste test and reviews of these. And cash at me at London Hawthorne if you'd like. Have a great day.